Welcome back to Instabills, everyone. So an amazing breakout that we had today with LGVN from pre-market, mentioning news on their MSLB drug in pre-market. I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for to have a continuation. Now, before I jump into this, a few things. If you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on daily updates that I mentioned throughout the week. And if you guys are day traders or you guys are looking for intraday perspective breakouts throughout the day, go to instabulls.com in the description below. And only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. Now, jumping into the 5-minute chart with you guys here on LGVN so you guys can see exactly how this broke out. Then I'm going to go over the daily chart so you guys can see what has to happen on the larger time frames so you can see exactly what we're looking for to have a continuation. As you guys can see, we had our break from $7 in pre-market, jumping up over $14 going to extended hours, looking to see if we can pass 15, a very strong resistance that I'm going to show you guys in a second. Again, we did hold our 20-day moving average over our 50 throughout the whole day, showing us that we still could continue. And sure enough, we did continue. As you guys can see, running into $12, we did mention higher risk at this point in time as we did have a decrease in buy pressure. We had our EMA line crossing down, so we were looking for a continuation on buy pressure. And as you guys can see, we did bounce off of our 50-day moving average. We bounced back over our 20. And as soon as we did break over our 20-day moving average and we started to respect it, which we did mention when we broke into new highs, we did have a continuation on buy pressure as soon as that did happen, giving us confirmation on a continuation. And as you guys can see, going to extended hours, we did continue on up, looking to see if we can continue on past 15. Now, jumping over to the daily chart with you guys here, as you guys can see on LGVN, we had a major run all the way up to $45 previously from MSLB drug that we mentioned previously in pre-market and had a major run. Now looking to see if we can continue on with that momentum. So we have our $15 psychological resistance that we're trying to continue on past. As you guys can see multiple times previously, right before 15, we had rejections to the upside. So if we do not hold the body of the candle above our $15 level, then we could get rejected to the upside. So what we're looking for to have a continuation on past our $15 level is to continue on with buy pressure on our 5-minute. As you guys can see, we do have a decrease in buy pressure. I did mention higher risk. So we are looking to see if we can continue on with buy pressure as we are decreasing in buy pressure. So we do need a lot of buy pressure. I want to see if we can at least break above this point that we had on our continuation, showing us that we were overextended, and continuing on down on buy pressure. So showing us that we are overextended. We do have our EMA lines that are crossing down going to extended hours. So we want to see if we can again get that increase in buy pressure. We have had this happen previously. Again, back on the daily chart, as you guys can see on our MACD, we did have this continuation on buy pressure. Even though we did continue on up, we had a decrease in buy pressure, and then the following days we had a major continuation on buy pressure. So I definitely would be careful. Just making sure we do stay green is always going to be the goal in the Instabulls room. If you guys cannot tell, I want to make sure we do stay green, play consistent. If there's higher risk plays, then I'm definitely going to always mention that they're higher risk plays because I want to make sure we do play consistent. And a very nice run that we had from LGVN from pre-market. So again, just staying patient, letting the plays come to us. There's a lot of pump fakes throughout the day that I avoid, and then there's major breakouts that I mentioned throughout the day. I mentioned higher risk when there's meant to be mentioned higher risk. I don't care if it's going to continue on up or not. We want to make sure we play safer is what we do in the Instabulls room every single day. And again, all of you Instabulls that have been coming over and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. We will continue to go at it no matter how bad the market does get. Again, a major pullback today from a large overextension for the last couple of weeks. We had a record-breaking last couple of weeks on a major bounce that we had from a lot of pressure to the downside from. So we're looking to see if we can either get a healthy move on a bounce back. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help us find it and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I will see you guys in pre-market.